Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Step by Step English.
Welcome back to part 3 of our house rooms and items lesson. In part 1 and part 2, we learned the names of many things in the kitchen, laundry room, dining room, living room, and bedroom. Today, we will keep exploring the house and discover new rooms and items together. Let's begin our magical English journey. Hi learners! It's great to have you here again for part 3 of our house tour learning adventure. Our first stop is the attic. The attic is the room under the roof, where people keep old things. Now it's time for the bathroom. The bathroom is where we have bath, wash our hands and brush our teeth. This is a bathtub. A bathtub is a large container where people take a bath. Look, we have here the towel. We hang our towel on the towel rack. You can see the bath mat here. A bath mat is a small carpet you put on the bathroom floor to keep your feet dry. Over here is a bathroom shelf. A bathroom shelf is the place where we keep our soap, shampoo, and other things we use in the bathroom. We can see the toilet here. The toilet is a seat in the bathroom what people use when they need to go to the bathroom. This is a toilet paper. This is a sink. We use it to wash our hands. That's a mirror. A mirror is something we look in to see our face. Here is my favorite place. In the house garden, I plant flowers and trees and I smell fresh air. This is an outdoor table, and these are an outdoor chairs. We can sit and enjoy the garden. Look, this is an outdoor umbrella. It is a big umbrella that gives shade in the garden. This is a fence. It keeps the garden safe. Look, this is a plant. Plants need water and sunlight to grow. Here is a grass. We can walk or play on the grass. And that's the end of our house rooms and items lesson. We have explored every corner in the house and learned so many new English words together. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2 yet, don't miss it. You can find the links below. See you in the next lesson.
If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more English learning content. Thank you for watching.